Viewers, in this video I'd like to discuss about firewall. Firewall is very important topic for information security. So let's see some important points, types of firewall and how it works. Question is, what is firewall? In this figure, you can see that we have internet cloud and then we have another intranet cloud. Now if the machine from internet want to communicate inside a machine of intranet, it is not safe for the machine inside of intranet. In that case, if we want to protect the outside machines, we need to put some rules or policies. Hence comes the point of firewall. We can say that a firewall is placed between the intranet and the internet, and it is restricts the traffic between the two based on certain rules or policies. Anyhow, firewall cannot be trusted completely because this firewall is for security. It is important, but this is not the only one option for security. You have to have the other options also. So, how firewall can be secured? There are two main different types of firewall are packet filtering firewalls and application level or gateway. Application level gateway or proxy firewall. There is also hybrid firewalls. So in the next couple of videos, I will also discuss about this packet filtering and application level gateways. So firewall just add one more level of security, but this is not the only one solution for firewall. Now, how firewall actually works? So the first point is called packet filtering. Once a packet is coming, then it will check based on the rules and policies and filter out that packet is allowed or not allowed. So how we can say informally, you see that is a couple of roles: role 1, role 2, role n, role I to role n, and if no role doesn't match, then there is also called default action. So this is called role chain. You can say packet filtering is a construct a row with a row of chains, and once a packet is coming to a role, it will match for the first role. If it doesn't match, then it's sent to the second role and a third role, and so on. It is a sequentially it will work, and when a role is matching, then it will go for the action part. Mainly role has two parts. One is called feature part and other one is called action part. When the feature of the packet is matching with the role of the role is matching with the packet, then the action part is gonna execute. Now let's see. So what we can say? We can say packet filter is indispensable component of all firewall. The header information that comes from the transport layer. You know that in transport layer we have a TCP, UDP, header packets for trans, and also you have this port number as source port, destination port from transport layer information coming, or the network layer information, that is source IP, destination IP, and protocol that is used to transfer the data are used. These informations are used for the filtering of a packets. So here this based on that rules, especially these packet filters are filtered, and then roles are allowed the packet or discard the unwanted packet. And a packet filter operates as also as a transparent device when it is built in bridge, which operates a data link layer. And in that case, there is no change in the time to life field. You know, the TTL value, which is in our network layer IP header. So we have other information about packet filter also, that the packet filter consists of certain roles, and whenever packets matches the roles, we'll have to go through the action that is specified in that role. There can be various roles like accepting a particular packet, dropping it, or maybe redirecting it to some new role chain. And if there is no match found, the packet has to be go through the default action which will be given. In case of default action, there can be two possibilities. Suppose the entire chain of the role consists of all the actions of the accepting the packet, then the default would be drop that packet. And if in case the action is entirely role is to be drop the packet, then the default would be to be accepted the packet. So it means like if I have, see, I already told, like if I have 1 to n roles in this picture, you can see if no role match, then the default action will be accepted. So if all the role of 1 to n is denied, then default action will be accept. Otherwise, it will be opposite. Now, there is another important message is, of course, when the order comes into the point, it is very important because let's say I have some roles, which is, yeah, I have two roles. If the first one is dropping the packet and second one is accepting the packet, depending on the criteria, then order is very very important. So I will show that example in next video. Thank you for watching this video.